Hi, I'm Sifu Kuttel and welcome to my Tai Chi channel. I've been a Tai Chi instructor for almost 2 decades now, and I've been training in Yang style Tai Chi under Doc-Fai Wong in San Francisco. I currently live in Switzerland, but I still make YouTube videos to share my love and passion for Yang style Tai Chi Chuan. Now you can find a ton of videos and content here on this site, and the best way to navigate through it is to check all of the playlists. I've sorted the playlists by theme of weapons training if you're interested in Tai Chi sword, saber, spear, flute, and fan, as well as Tai Chi training and exercises where you can train at home or to do a full follow-along workout. In my short videos, I tend to do follow-along, quick minute techniques, and you can also find my forms in the forms playlist. If you want to know more about my training as well as learning from me, you can check me out on Patreon. I do monthly workouts in Tai Chi and some Tai Chi weapon work there, or you can head over to my website and actually learn Yang style Tai Chi from me, whether through private lesson training or my online learning program. I hope you enjoy Tai Chi just as much as I do, and I'll see you in the next video.